Morning traders. Wow. Nice pre-market opening or movement here, right? So let's get to it. You can see my screen, hear me okay?
Yep, looking good and hear you loud and clear.
All right. We're gonna have some fun today. I'm telling you, these are the kind of markets I love. Let's take a look at the market profile in this ES. Huge bear trap down here. When you see this pre-market, took out the previous US session lows, right? And actually, this level here, we talked about it yesterday, 62, uh, all the way down to 57, pretty big area for the ES, right? I'm going to just bring this over for just a quick look. So from August, I think it was 5th, we made this low to this high that we made this last attempt to test this high, fell short right in the inside pocket, right? Market came back down, did about a 38.2% retracement. I don't look at these that often unless it's a huge move. Otherwise, I don't uh, watch Fibonacci. But also, um, this was just an important big run that we had. So that's a good thing to do when you have this kind of an extension. But meanwhile, the 30 low on the daily, 30 low moving average that I like to watch here also came in right around this area. So that might be it for today. Um, doesn't mean we can't go back down and uh, test into this cave. Don't think we'll get all the way back down to the lows. And I do feel the market was a little bit oversold, a little tired to the downside. We had three big down days with a gap from that from that Labor Day U.S. session, if you want to call it, and that fake out during Asia. So we came down pretty hard. No doubt this market is catching the shorts by surprise. I think we can get up to 55.35 early morning before we turn down. My pivot is right around this 55.08, say 55.07 to 55.08. Don't think we're going to test it right away, but very possible that we come back into this area and develop a test down to the pivot after we uh, catch a bit of a pop. So this 55.35 could be very important. It's the PLC from this from Wednesday, the U.S. session. It's the high of the value area here from this overnight session, and kind of a finished area here that a test into this um, tail that we had here from this big down day, right? Now, I'm not bullish, but they definitely caught some shorts, and I do feel we could catch a little bit of a bounce. This was one hell of a break. We had this big coil, a lot of price overlap, and we broke out of it. And so, no doubt, once we got below this level on Tuesday, of course, that started another fire to the downside. So we didn't come back into this area and do some filling out between the pivot and 35 this morning. Um, you could see, let me open this up so you could see how this, uh, when the number came out, this is how it looked on a 30-minute bar chart when you expand this early morning pre-market number, report bar. Yeah, so we were on our way to trying to hang out here until the U.S. opening, but of course, when the number came out, shook out all these shorts who were probably looking for a full test down here at this level, down between 56 to 62, which we held and couldn't get there. Meanwhile, we had a small gap that we filled at this point no more of a gap to worry about there. And like I said, I think we can kind of continue out first in the morning, shake out any shorts, and then possibly back off. Okay. Hang on 1 second. With that being said, let's see what the ES wants to do. You can see the NASDAQ, by the way, had a bigger push, and I'll just bring the NAS here. All right, and the NAS for me, if you look at it over here, actually did trade below its 30 low moving average. We still haven't closed below it, right? Keep poking and poking. Yesterday they tried to support it. So I think that the NAS might also catch a nice short covering rally early and continue this, go positive and catch a bit of a rally. But I'm not confident we're going to go up and take out yesterday's high, but we possibly could get up there. This is the 200-day moving average. It comes in at 18,557. So, some pretty big areas here for the NAS. This is, for me, pretty big, this 30 low on the daily, okay, moving average. But anyway, let's, you can see here how the NAS did some price overlap and was a much better trade as far to the upside than the SPOOs. We didn't take out the US session lows, whereas the ES here we did yesterday. So should be some fun. As you know, these kind of ranges and volatility make for good trading. So let's go on to the rest of the markets and take a look at. We'll take a look at our crude, gold, ES, and the bonds.